What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at work at the minute, but I'm just about to finish and hopefully go and pick up a little project car. It's been sat for a while. Chap I'm hopefully getting it off. He said it's a bit of a mess, but it's a good runner, all that sort of thing. So I'm going to go and have a look. I'm going to come along, take the camera with me. I probably won't film while I'm buying it because that's just a bit weird, but I'll show you straight after and see what you think. Sorry about the wind noise. There's obviously a big hole behind me from the window, but I've picked it up. We've got the MX-5. It's a bit of a wreck, but I like it. It needs some paint. Still getting used to that clutch. It feels really good in it. Like, everything's tight. It stinks and it's gross, but mechanically it feels good, if that makes sense. Everything needs a good clean and a sterilise and a hoover and everything, so I need to sort that out. But yeah, it needs a new roof. Obviously the back window's just flapping. What else? The paintwork ain't great, as you can see from those videos. It needs a really good buff. The lacquer's peeling on the rear wing. The brakes, there is some, but they're not amazing. I think it wants some new disc and pads really, and a brake fluid change. It was a bit spongy, so we'll get that done. But yeah, it feels alright. It's not too bad, to be fair. So I'm going to go and give it a bloody good clean now. So I'll just put the camera down, you can watch that, and then we'll take it out for a proper little drive after that. Hopefully it'll either be in this video or the next one. So let's go and do that. Also, the other thing I forgot to say, it's actually got coilovers in this car. No idea what they are. They're probably eBay specials, but so yeah, that's probably all I put on there anyway. Because I'm only going to use this for like taking it to the Isle of Wight car club, just for if you like racing around like a little set track thing. What do you call it? I can't remember what it's called now. You just race around a car park, basically around the cones and all that sort of thing, and just try and beat your time. So that's what I'm going to really use this car for. I'm going to spruce it up a little bit and just use it for that. So, Christ, pothole there. Yeah, so eBay coilovers, I think, or there might be really good ones, I don't know. We'll have to have a little look and find out, but it will save me a couple of quid on putting some of them on. So I might slam it a little bit as well. It looks like normal ride height at the moment. It's really comfy though, actually, to be fair. You wouldn't know it was on coilovers, only because I was looking under there. But yeah, I'll leave a link below in the old description box thing to the Isle of Wight car club. Really good fun. You just like pay a membership thing, fee per year, and then you just pay on the day. It's like, I can't remember what it is, like 15 quid, 10-15 quid. You just get a day of racing your little cars around. It's good fun. But they've got a YouTube channel, so I'll leave a little link below They're good guys there. They make loads of good videos on the days on each event, so have a look at that. But anyway, I've got to go and clean this car because it is properly minging in here, so I'm going to get on with that. As you can see, it's all pretty grim in here. Some sort of spider living here somewhere. Some McCoys. More McCoys. Oh, that's handy. There it is. That's good, we got that. What else we got? Jules Holland CD, always a bonus. Some Lucasade. Let's put some of this in the bin. Hang on, let me put the camera down. Be why the seats weren't going back very far, even for my little legs. 500 gallons of Dr. Pepper. Yummy. Right, been hoovering like mad. This is like well over an hour and a half or so, and it's still a mess. But it's better than it was, less grimy. I've done all behind here. This is pretty gross back here. But this is the damage on the window. So it's just ripped. Obviously they've gone to put the roof down, and sometimes they get a bit stuck, so you just push it extra hard and then it's obviously ripped. So that's fine, I'll get a new one of them. But it's coming along. So after a long session of cleaning, hoovering, all that sort of stuff, as you've just seen, it's still not massively clean. It needs a proper doing over, but it'll do for now. There's a lot less grime. The fade has gone, hopefully, from the paint. It needs another day at least spending on it to actually make it anywhere decent in terms of polishing it, but it is what it is. What else? Yeah, I've had my hair cut in between, if you're wondering. Nice job. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to call that it for this video, just while I've been, because it's getting a bit long, this video. So on the next video, I'll be taking it for a spin, showing you the each little bits and bobs on there, and might even take it for a nice drive down the military road on the Isle of Wight, which everyone loves. So just while I finish editing this video, make sure you hit that little subscribe button down below, and if you could give the video a like, it's good for the old YouTube algorithm, as they say. It makes me rank a little bit higher, and exposes the videos to more people, so that'd be good if you could. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.